Hello, what's up, guys? So, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT and QuillBot to generate content for your blog. So, first of all, we'll be using ChatGPT to generate a keyword. So, this is the keyword we're using. How to dismantle a piano. So, in order for you to effectively use ChatGPT, you need to make use of prompts. Prompts are like set of text-based instruction that ChatGPT follows in order to at least give you 80% of what you want. So this is the prompt we'll be using. So I will include this on the description. So what you do here is that these prompts are like instruction. You can see using markdown formattings, act as an expert article writers, and write a full detailed long form. 100% unique, creative, and human-like article of a minimum of 5,000 words. So what you need to know is that this 5,000 words is not actually going to generate it. At least if you want to generate like 1,000 words or 500 words, but there's a way you can get up to 2,000 words. Then another thing to know on this point is that once you want to make a new keyword or a new blog article, you just need to change this how to here. So you see this, you just need to anywhere you see the prompt, you just need to change it so that up to different vibes. So you see, you can just leave this outline here. So this outline here is going to list an outline before you start writing. So this you can see this place here. So you have to anywhere you just see this place, just change it with the keyword you want to use for stars. I've already changed that on this prompt. So this prompt will be available on the comment section. So just check the comment section, you'll be able to access it. I use two prompts. So this is one of the newest prompts I use, but this is my old prompt. I'll also include them in the comment section. So just make sure you check the comment section after watching this video. So what you do is to copy this prompt. I will copy it, then you go to ChatGPT, then you paste it. So there are two ways you can generate content. This is the first way, and the second way I'm going to also show you that one. So you just need to see what is going to start generating content for you. So you see it also generated a meta description to use. So learn how to dismantle a piano with an expert guidance. This is a comprehensive guide, step-by-step instruction and FAQ. So you see the introduction, how to dismantle. You see how it align everything to make it more easy for you to structure it on your blog post. So it's still generating content. So FAQ is about and ask frequently asked questions about dismantling pianos. So we just need to just give you some several minutes for it to load. So you can see ChatGPT is done generating the piano content. So you can see that one thing this thing just did was that it always add this keyword on each of the posts to make it at least appropriately. So remember we are see this is just like the first method. So the second method is if for instance you put a prompt, there are some things ChatGPT don't know. Remember, we are using the free version. So the free version, which is the ChatGPT 3.5, which is not connected to the internet. So it's a little bit outdated. So it's using outdated information. So there are some information you want to get or some keyword you want to write about, it will not be able to generate it. This second method will actually enable you to bypass that without even upgrading your ChatGPT version. So before I do that, let me copy what is generated here. So for you to just simply copy it, just come here and click up the copy. Then it's already copied to your clipboard. Then you go to your QuillBot. So this is my QuillBot. I'm going to click on paste this and allow. So you can see that it have paste my text here. So I can just remove this introduction here because I don't want it to be in the introduction. remove it, remove this other stuff. So you need to take time to edit your content. So I will make another separate video on how to edit your content. I'll also remove this one. So remove this. So let me scroll down and check others ones. So all these other ones are okay. So I will. This is a pro version of QuillBot. So allow me to uh, use it as many times as I like. So I also make a video on how to access premium SEMrush QuillBot for free, and also paid version. You can also get it at a cheap price. So I'm using the standard. You can use Fluency, formal, academic, simple, creative, expand, but I just make it of the standard. Then I'll just click on the paraphrase. So QuillBot is going to paraphrase everything. So it's generating different paragraph. So what this does is that it enables you to make it more human readable. ChatGPT is like a AI model, so most of the content is going to write and not human readable. Even if they are human readable, it's going to be very very hard for someone to understand. So that's how you understand. And you see that the words generated are just like 935 words, but if you check this total words, it's just like 1031 words. So even using QuillBot to give you a longer article. Then back to the previous video, now you can generate content that is not that ChatGPT that doesn't know. For example, we'll be making use of another keyword, which is which is how to tell age of a piano too. So what you need to do is to come here and search for the content. So just scroll to any relevant. So you can see how to tell the age of a piano too. Go to open that one. Something that is relevant to it. So this since this content article is on the first page, so it's accurate, it's okay. So what we just do is to help ChatGPT to learn it. So you do is to copy the content. So you see this site does not allow you to copy content. So you can bypass that by just copy the link by visiting website text extractor. So just go to the web. So you can copy like 3 to 2 websites of that content. And what we are doing is we are not using the content. We are just telling ChatGPT that this is the kind of information we want. Simple as that. So just allow it to load. There's going to be a capture for you to do most of the time. So okay. Traffic lights. So convert to text. So it's converting to text. Just give you some few time to load. So I think I've finished converting to text. So you just copy from here. to the ending. So just copy it to here. So you don't need to copy everything. Then I'm going to make use of a new chat here. Then you just tell ChatGPT to learn this. Then you just paste what you copied. So it have already learned what we just give it to the ChatGPT. So what we just come here is to replace our former keywords with the title we are looking for. So I'll just click on Control F, Window V, so that I will highlight what I'm looking for. Okay, since that one is not working, so I'll just use the manual method. So I think it's working. Let me copy it, then Control F, Control V. So it highlights all the old things you need to change. So let me start marking them and keep changing them. So I've changed one. We have 7 remaining. We have 5 remaining. 4 remaining. Then we also have 3 remaining. Then we are through with everything. So you just need to copy this prompt and point to the exact place you tell to learn it. So with the information provided, do this. You copy the prompts and give it to ChatGPT. So to use the information, uh, use this information that you give to the model, which is this information, to generate a content. So it's not using the article word for word. No, it's just getting an. It's like researching something, then rewriting it on your own words. That's what it's doing. So it's still generating content. So that's just how it is. So you can copy like 2 to 3 articles, but I mostly just use one of the best article that is ranking well. So it's still loading, just give it time. So if you don't do this for ChatGPT generate some content you don't trust, just use this formula that I told you. It works much better because most of the time, if you read the article, you have to doubt if it's actually accurate. That's when you use this article formula, because in this way you are already giving it the info. So I'll come to QuillBot again. Going to remove everything here, then paste. In total, we have 975 words. I'm going to paraphrase. So remember to thoroughly edit the post. So right here, everything is like edited information by. So that's why you see I did not remove some of the things here. You can just include your name or remove those stuff. So it generated 943 words and the original content was 975 words. So that's just it. You see, in just like 10 minutes, we have been able to generate just two blog post content that is more than 1,000 words. So see you on the next video.